Hello folks, we want to do the first oil change in this 2023 RS. Since new, it only have 650 miles. Of course, we want to use a BMW 540 full synthetic oil, the filter, the washer for the drain plug, the key for the fill plug, and of course we want to open the fill plug. Now we have the drain plug right here in the bottom. You can see in the drain plug we have the right here the magnet, a little bit of metal. It's not too bad. Like I said, this first oil change, it's only 650 miles, so it's very important to do it the first service on your brand new motorcycle. Now we want to take it out the filter. It's on the left side of the engine.